Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 14S, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, we're gonna hold the power button and ignore Gemini. So you just want to keep on holding till the boot options show up. Now when they do, just swipe up to turn off your device, and next we're gonna hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. In a moment, when you see the Mi logo on the screen, let go of the power button, keep holding volume up till we are taken to the recovery mode. And there we go. Now in here we technically only have one option, which is the wipe data. No, we do need to use volume buttons to navigate through these, and power button to confirm. So under wipe data we have wipe all data, aka factory reset of the device. So I'm just going to go back because it's not what I want to do. Next we have reboot and connect with Mi Assistant. Now reboot just brings us back to Android. Connect with Mi Assistant is just connecting with the PC application. So I'm going to select reboot, then reboot to system. And like I mentioned, this will now just bring me back to Android, and it's a way of leaving the recovery mode. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.